Hello, I'm Jessica Mills and I'm here today with Paul Horvath from the firm SportsLawyer and a member of the LIV Sports Law Committee. So Paul, can you tell me a bit about what role do the lawyers play in the AFL?
Good afternoon, Jessica. Well, there's a range of roles these days. Obviously, there's legal roles both at the AFL itself. There's a number of lawyers there. There's lawyers engaged by clubs, both as in-house lawyers and also as administrative staff. So the CEO and the COO at St Kilda are both lawyers. Brendan Gale's a lawyer. He's at Richmond as the CEO, and so on. And then separately outside that, providing specifically legal roles, you've got people such as myself, who I'm not full-time, but I am employed by Richmond Football Club to provide their AFL tribunal services and so on. And so there's a whole range of part-time, full-time, etc. roles for lawyers. And I guess in any area of commerce, and it's a very commercialised area these days, the lawyers are going to be not too far away.
Okay, so it sounds like there are a lot of opportunities for lawyers who are interested in a career in sports law. Do you think the demand for specialised sports lawyers has grown? Absolutely.
I think if you have a look at the TV rights deals in both the AFL, the NRL, have a look at the growth in netball and the semi-professionalisation with the Trans-Tasman Netball League, the women's cricketers who are now the highest paid women's athletes in a team sport in the country, and so on. I could keep going, but there's all of this increased levels of professionalisation, increased sponsorship by people, and so the pie is much bigger in terms of the sporting landscape.
Okay, and what are some of the main issues for lawyers working in sports law?
So I guess from the basic level, you start a club, be it an AFL club down to a small sporting club with 100 or 200 members, you need a constitution. Then you're going to have some sort of disciplinary process, so you might have to set up a tribunal. Then you're going to have contracts of different types, whether it's sponsorship contracts, whether it's deals to secure grounds with your local council, so there's another contract. Then you're going to have, again, sponsorship with people at the grounds and sponsorship of the club and so on. So there's all of those. Then, as I say, you've got your tribunal process, you've got selection agreements and so on, selection disputes, and the list goes on. And you know, you've got sometimes disputes such as defamation issues arise, and just the general commercial issues that arise in many areas of industry and commerce.
Okay. And just finally, it's a big week for sport in Melbourne. Who is your tip for the AFL Grand Final?
Well, I just think history says that Hawthorn should start favourites. Anything can happen, and so I'm happy to be proven wrong, but I just think they know how to do it on the Grand Final day, and so I think they're the best bet.
Thanks for your time today, Paul.
Pleasure.
If members would like to become involved in our Sports Law Committee and to chat with Paul, please feel free to contact us here at the LIV.